Let's talk a little bit about lead conversion. It's one thing to get a lead. It's quite another thing to convert that lead into a client and then a closing. When you first get a lead, you've got the name, the email, and hopefully the phone number. The very first step you want to do is call that lead. If they don't answer, you call them again. The reason for that is because sometimes people don't answer unknown phone numbers. If they don't answer that second call, then you text them, then you email them, then you repeat daily until you make contact. Once you've made contact, you want to find out what it is they want. Really basic, simple. Do they want to buy? Do they want to sell? Do they have to sell in order to buy? Have they spoken to a lender if they're buying? And if they are buying, what's their search criteria? What price range? What location? Do they have school districts in mind? Number of bedrooms? Number of bathrooms? Do they want a pool? No pool? Try to really narrow down their search criteria so you can actually help them out. Now the next step is to get an in-person appointment. If you can, get a buyer's consultation or a listing consultation. Maybe they have their eye on some properties and they want to go start shopping. Go show them properties. Build rapport and start to become friendly with them so they're more likely to reach out to you and actually want to talk to you. Now, if they're a buyer client, then you can actually set them up to receive automatic listings right when they hit the market, including the coming soon listings that they can't get anywhere else. It's really important that you tell them that.